Welcome to Eoovbook. Today we will be discussing about how to use Eoovbook Market. Go to eoovbook.com. Now click on the Market option on the left-hand side of the window. Here you will see various products that you can buy unhesitantly. Click on the product that you want to buy. Here you will be able to see the product and the publisher's name. You can also contact the seller by clicking on Contact Seller button and discuss your queries. Now click on the Buy Now button. Here you can add the address where you want your product to be shipped. And now select the added address. You can also select the quantity of the product you want. Now click on the Buy button to buy the product. Select the Pay Now button to complete the payment of your product. Your product will be visible in the Purchased option window. And you can also download the invoice for your product. If you want to see the status of your product, then click on the product link. Here in the top left corner, you can see the status of your product, whether it is cancelled, accepted, shipped, or delivered. You can also request a refund if you want. Click on the Request Refund button and type a valid reason for your refund. And send it to the admin for approval by clicking on the Request button. You can add your product for sale simply by clicking on My Products option. Here you will see the products you have published for sale. Now click on the Create button to add new product. Now you have to share some specifications of your product. Write the name of your product. Add the price at which you want to sell your product. Now add some description of your product. Now select the category of your product and the type, such as it's a new or used product. Now add the location from where the product will be shipped. Select the currency in which you want to sell. Now add the total number of items you want to sell. Now add a captivating image of your product. And you are ready to go by clicking on the Publish button. Your product is now published for sale. You can also edit the details of the product if you want by clicking on the Edit Product option. And now click on the Save button to save your edited details. Now you can see who has requested to buy your product by clicking on the My Products button. Now click on the Orders tab to see the requested orders. Here you can provide the tracking link and tracking number so that buyer can track their product. You can also change the product status to accepted, packed, or shipped. If you want to download the invoice of the product, you can do the same by clicking on the Download Invoice button. If you want to buy a product but lack sufficient funds, you can add funds in your wallet using simple steps. Click on the link where it says you don't have enough balance. Now click on the Add Funds option. Enter the amount you want to add. And click on the Continue button. You can use two methods by which you can add funds to your wallet. There is another method by which you can add funds in your wallet. Click on the Profile button in the top right corner. Click on the Wallet button. And you will be redirected to the window where you can add funds. Now click on the Add Funds option. Enter the amount you want to add. And click on the Continue button. You can use two methods by which you can add funds to your wallet.